a young man who loved learning new things. He lived in a small town where everyone spoke the same language. But Liam had a big dream. He wanted to learn languages from other countries. He thought it would be fun and exciting. One day, Liam decided to start learning a new language. He chose English because he knew it was spoken by many people around the world. Liam didn't know much English, but he was excited to begin. He started by learning simple words like hello, thank you, and goodbye. Every morning, he would practice saying these words out loud. Liam also found a language app on his phone. The app helped him learn new words every day. It showed him pictures and he had to match the words to the pictures. Liam enjoyed this a lot because it felt like a game. When he got the answers right, the app gave him stars. He wanted to collect as many stars as possible. After a few weeks, Liam could say short sentences in English. He learned to say things like, "My name is Liam and I am from a small town." He practiced these sentences with his friends. At first, it was difficult, but his friends helped him. They were proud of Liam and encouraged him to keep going. Liam also started watching cartoons in English. At first, he didn't understand everything, but he recognized some words he had learned. This made him happy and motivated him to learn more. He realized that watching cartoons was a fun way to improve his English. One day, Liam met a new friend named Anna. Anna was from another country and spoke English very well. Liam was excited to practice with her. They talked about their favorite foods and games. Anna spoke slowly so that Liam could understand. Liam was nervous, but Anna was patient and kind. She taught him new words and corrected his mistakes. As time passed, Liam got better and better at English. He could have longer conversations with Anna and even started writing short messages to her in English. Liam was proud of himself. He had worked hard and it was paying off. Liam's parents saw how much he loved learning English. They decided to help him even more. They bought him a small English book. The book was full of stories for beginners. Liam read the book every night before bed. Some words were still difficult, but Liam didn't give up. He used a dictionary to look up words he didn't know. One day, Liam's teacher announced a language day at school. Students could show what they had learned in a new language. Liam was excited. He decided to make a short speech in English. He practiced every day until he knew it by heart. On language day, Liam stood in front of his class and gave his speech. He said, "Hello, my name is Liam. I am learning English. I like English because it is fun. I want to visit countries where people speak English." The class clapped for Liam. His teacher smiled and said, "Good job, Liam, you are doing great." Liam felt very happy and proud. He knew he still had a lot to learn, but he was excited to continue. He realized that learning a new language takes time and practice, but it is worth it. Liam couldn't wait to learn more, and maybe even start learning another language someday. Liam's language adventure had just begun, and he was ready for whatever came next. He knew that with hard work and a positive attitude, he could achieve his dreams. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.
On this channel, I'll continue to provide you with the tools and resources you need to improve your English for completely free. So, subscribe, stay with me, and let's keep learning together. Remember, learning a language is a journey. It takes time and effort, but if you keep practicing, you will get better. Believe in yourself, stay motivated, and don't give up. You can do it.